Darlings, today we dance with words, not by shouting them, but by listening to the one that changes us. Find a partner. Decide who you are. Are you friends? Strangers? Siblings? Enemies? Space explorers? Baristas? And remember, do not plan your answer. Let the words land. Let them change you. Feel first, then speak. Maya, I didn't forget your birthday. I just didn't come to the party. Eli, how could you just not come? Lucas, I told everyone your news. I thought it would help. Sophia, you told everyone? Ari, I didn't pick you because I wanted the team to win. Jordan, so you think I'd make you lose? Naomi, I'm moving. And I wish I wasn't, and I didn't want to tell you. Ben, you weren't sure how to tell me? Leo, I promise I'll be there this time. Chloe, this time? Riley, you can come with me, but only if you really want to. Harper, only if I really want to? Kai, I told the director you should sing the solo instead of me. Zoe, you did what? Nico, I broke it, and I didn't tell you. Emma, you didn't tell me? Before you reply, ask your beautiful actor self, what did they say? Which word stuck in my heart? What feeling arrived with it? Then, my young artists, let the feeling shape your reply. Even if the words stay the same, the heart behind them should shift, like stage lights. Switch roles and try again. New scene, new tone, new discoveries. The next time you reply to someone in real life, pause just a breath and whisper to yourself, what word made me answer the way I did? That, my loves, that is listening like an actor. I simply adore ending class with journaling. It captures the glitter in your brain. Write one thing you learned today that you didn't already know. Your favorite scene or moment and why, and put it in the comments. If we have time, we'll share them aloud bravely together if we're doing this in person. Watch the video that pops up next because YouTube thinks you'll love it, or it's exactly what you need today. Hi, I'm Dawnnie Mercado. I have been teaching acting and improv and Shakespeare and all those things to kids and teens for over 30 years. I have an MFA in acting from NYU. I have many other channels. You can see them linked down below. So I'm going to start sharing my secrets to you if you want them. I'll see you in the next one.